Hello everyone, welcome on today's cooking adventure. We are in Idaho. Specifically, we are at Mesa Falls, and this wasn't part of our planned road trip, but we're taking a break from our hiking in Yellowstone and Grand Teton and thought, let's check out the local areas around here. And now it's lunchtime. The kebabs that I've marinated last night, I have them all ready and skewered. We're just gonna cook them on this skillet. Spray a little cooking oil, and then I'm gonna first cook the chicken because they take longer. But these are really cute. I have these little mini skewers, bamboo skewers, and they work perfect in this small pan. And got it on about high right now. I'm going to cook them about 8 to 10 minutes on each side. Turn it for another 8 to 10 minutes, and then it'll be done. So just wait for the pan to heat up. Just start tossing these guys in. And remember, we don't want to overcrowd the pan. So I'm just going to do 3 skewers at a time. And I will rotate after 8 to 10 minutes. Cook on the other side, and it'll be ready. All right, so these chicken kebabs have been cooking for about 10 minutes now, and you can see it has this nice char around it, and it's ready. I'm going to take these guys out, and I'm going to switch up and do the beef kebabs now. Oh, it's hot. Wipe this a little bit. Woo, careful, that's hot. Don't burn yourself, folks. Alright, we'll spray. And let's toss in these beef skewers. These guys were marinated in Asian flavor, so we got hoisin sauce and soy sauce on these guys. The beefs are going to cook really fast. About 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then we'll be good to go. So these steak kebabs really don't take that long, and it's a nice char on them. This one has great Asian flavors to it. Smells great. I hope the bears don't come out now, although I would like to see a bear. Probably not too close though. So I'm just gonna feed the family, and then we are gonna be on our way around to our next hiking trip. So it's been great in Idaho. Until the next time. Bye everyone.